Barks. Good morning. My sweet husband got up with Eli this morning and let me sleep in just a touch. So I'm gonna get my Bible study stuff and go sit at the table to eat some breakfast. I'm not awake yet. Some banana, apple, and eggs. So, I'm filming today on my new DJI Pocket 3. It's so good. The quality on it is so good. I love it. The only thing is I don't think I have a way to like stick it on a tripod and get like different angles. I have to like prop it up on, like right now you're sitting on a tissue box. So I need to figure that out because that kind of makes it hard to film, and I want to film with this because it has really good quality. And like, not that a phone isn't portable, it's about the same size, but higher quality. It's just a matter of figuring out how to put you on a tripod. Somebody bought yesterday. That's so exciting. We were this close from hitting my Arbonne goal for the month. Well, second goal. My first goal was to hit 8,000 in sales volume to get into area manager qualifications. That's the next rank. I don't think it's gonna happen this month. That's okay, because I'm only halfway there and it's the last day of the month, and that's okay. But you never know. You never know. Right? Yay. We love that. Are you clapping for mommy or clapping for the eggs? Probably clapping for the eggs. But I would like to get to 5,000 by the end of the day. We can do that. We can do that. We can do that, right? Right. Yes. Okay. All right, where did the curl go? In my hair. Great. Are you hungry, sweet pea? I need to clean this out. Are you playing with your little cruiser? Oh, you got your shoes? Ooh. You got your shoes? Right? Oh yeah. Okay, I put on the microphone because he's playing with a little toy. Just make sure you can hear me while I talk. Just gonna make a little morning coffee protein drink. It's not a shake because it's not a meal supplement. It's more so just a yummy drink to have a little bit more protein. So I put a little sugar-free salted caramel in there. That's the last of that. A little bit of cinnamon, some almond milk, 20 ounces-ish, and then some Feel Fit coffee protein. This is the supplemental protein. So this is like what you would use in drinks like this that aren't a full-on meal replacement, but you just want some extra protein. You could also add this to some snacks too, to add some protein into snacks, which we do all the time. Plus he loves like waffles and muffins like every kid does, but I obviously want him to be having some more protein, so I sneak some in there. And he loves it. He actually really likes them. He prefers that over, of course he does. What kid doesn't prefer waffles over, you know, eggs? Oh, good cuddle. Thanks, Bubba. Don't bite me though. No, I don't want to be bitten. What's the problem? I know you want to go outside, but I don't think it's warm enough. I'm waiting for the weather to load on my phone here. Oh, 47. Ugh. That doesn't sound fun. I don't know where the other lid to this is. Oh, there it is. Ooh. You ready on your choo-choo? Choo-choo! Yeah, is that true? So today is the last day of April. It's April 30th. Ooh. Oh, perfect. Except I can't get the lid on it now. Today is the last day of April, last day of the month, also the last day of a promo that we currently have going on with Arbonne. So I'm really trying to get in those. I have 5 more orders of the greens and fizz that I want to do, because that'll get me to 5,000 in volume. It'll also get me to 5 new preferred clients for the month, and it gets me the district manager bonus, my rank bonus, which is an extra $200. We love that. So that is our mission today. I have a hair appointment, and I think we're gonna do something fun, which I feel like I need. I need something a little fun. Yeah, so we have a hair appointment today. I'm gonna take my work stuff. I'm going to send some follow-ups. We're gonna get after it today. That's the goal. That's the goal. You have to come and look at Eli right now. Just living his best life, doing whatever. I love that. I love that so much. Do I have someone here already? Or no, I can't remember. Don't you climb on that, sir. Elijah. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, are you all right? Not sad. We are gonna make our greens. I'm gonna tell the world why they need them. Let's get this a little bit closer. Hi. Hi. Oh, that was so Kardashian-y. Hi, hello. We're gonna make our greens. Wondering, waiting, inquiring. I've had plenty of conversations with people that say, like, I just don't know, We got Eli down for his nap pretty quickly, actually. Quicker than I had expected, so that allowed me to get out the door a little bit faster. I am on my way to my hair appointment. I'm gonna grab some Chick-fil-A for lunch. Let's go get my hair done. I think we're gonna do a little something fun today. I don't know, once I get in the chair, I always tend to like chicken out. But this is the appointment that we're supposed to do a little something something. I think I'm gonna play a trick on her and be like, I want to chop it all off and be like bronzed brunette. She would die. She would die. Hi. It should be under Mandy.
All right, this is your drink right here.
Perfect.
And your food right here.
Great. Thank you. Sorry, I dropped you. My bad. I really should get some insurance on this thing, just in case, because I feel like I don't have a good way to like set it up either in the car like I do my phone or just other ways. So I need to figure that out. Taylor, my hairstylist, is the best. She always gives me so much grace, but I always want to be respectful of people's time. So I'm getting there right at noon, which is not my favorite, but I know she'll understand. Plus I got her the diet lemonade that she likes from Chick-fil-A, so I know that'll help. We're marinating. Solution on it is so good. Yeah, yes. So pretty. Okay, we are back from hair appointment. So cutie. It's giving a little strawberry shortcake for the summer. I haven't done copper in like forever. So this is a fun little something something for the summer. Just touching up my makeup a little bit. And then I will gently move you. I'm gonna hop on Instagram Live really quick with my business life bestie, and we both do Armand together, and we're gonna go on live because going live on Instagram has really proven to be very effective for us, because I think they just hear the sincerity when we talk about these products, how much we love them. So I made a quick second round of greens. I'm gonna save it for tomorrow because I like to just indulge in them every single day. So I'll just have it ready for tomorrow, so I won't sip on it too much. Okay, let me tell Crystal I'm ready to go. Hair is so cute. Love. I like the bout of red. That is so pretty. And it's like all throughout the bottom here without feeling dark. She still kept me really bright, which is what I wanted. I really wanted that like strawberry shortcake type of thing. Or like strawberry blonde is what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna put on lippy real quick. I feel like I just need to get a tan and then I'll be good to go. Okay, maybe I'll tan tonight. Maybe. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start now. Mother's Day. Okay. Hello. Happy Wednesday. There was once upon a time when 2020, I started in 2020 going live every single Wednesday. This is big news. This is exciting. No, this is no. This is big news because it's exciting what it all means and how it like plays into what we're gonna talk about. Cheers, by the way. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers to you. Cheers to both of us. Crystal has her hair up. I have my little strawberry blonde moment happening. We just came back from the Salon.
I really like it.
Isn't it fun? Like there's look at this color up here.
I can see the pink, the like strawberry. Yes,
We wanted the strawberry. We didn't necessarily want pink. So I was like, listen, I sing worship on Sundays. I can't be walking up there with pink hair. Oh my goodness, I totally lost track of this entire day. I went live with my life and business bestie, Crystal, to talk about the greens because that promo ends tonight. So we're really trying to push the last couple hours of the promo. And then I let my mom go. No, I relieved my mom from hanging out with Eli, and then I was with Eli for the evening, got him some dinner. I worked on some brand partnership stuff that I'll share on another vlog. Because right now, let me show you this. We are so dang close to hitting my 5K goal. Like, obviously, I have a really big goal of 8,000 to start qualifications for the next rank, but my goal every month is always 5,000. And I welcomed, oh my gosh, I can't even believe it, 5 new people to the team to build the business with Arbonne, and 3 new customers. So definitely want to get 8 next month. But who knows? Like, the day's not over. Who knows? But gosh, I love that I almost got all of my goal for my team building. So it was an amazing month. This is my best month yet. So I'm definitely proud of all the hard work. I'm definitely proud. Like, I finally feel like the momentum is starting to show. So I'm gonna go take off my face because I'm probably still gonna be up for a little bit longer, just in case I get those last minute. It always like kills me. I hate to get like last minute messages and then it's like, oh, sorry, I was in bed. But I also don't want to stay up too late because I gotta get up with the toddler tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'm gonna stay up for a little bit longer. It was a really good day though. It was a good day. It was an exciting day. Got my hair done. You can't really see. Oh, you can see a little bit. We did like a strawberry blonde moment. It's really pretty, especially like down into, and it's still really bright, which I still wanted like all that blonde. So it's fun. It's fun for the summer. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.